Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about something deeply personal yet incredibly powerful: how to reclaim the strength you lost somewhere along the way. Life can be heavy, and sometimes the battles you've faced leave you feeling drained, broken, or unsure of yourself. But here's the truth: you are not powerless, and your strength has never truly left you. You just need to reconnect with it. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and share it with anyone who feels like life has taken away their fire. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else to rise again. The first step to reclaiming your strength is honesty, acknowledging exactly where you are right now. Life may have knocked you down, left you exhausted, or made you doubt yourself. Pretending everything is fine or blaming circumstances will only keep your power buried. You have to see your current reality clearly, without sugarcoating or running from it. This is not weakness, it is clarity. It is the moment you stop hiding from yourself and begin to take control. By facing your present situation head-on, you gain perspective. You see the challenges, the patterns, and the areas where your energy has been drained. This awareness allows you to make conscious choices about what needs to change, what needs to be healed, and where your focus should go. Strength cannot return if you ignore the truth about your life. It only comes when you confront it. Acknowledgement also creates accountability. When you admit to yourself where you are, you reclaim the power to move forward. You understand that the next step is yours to take, and that reclaiming your strength is not about waiting for circumstances to change. It's about taking control of what is within your power and using it to rebuild yourself stronger than before. To reclaim your strength, you need to reconnect with the person you were before life's hardships started to weigh you down. Think back to the courage, energy, and determination you once carried. Remember the victories, the moments of resilience, the times you surprised yourself with what you could endure. That person has never disappeared. They are still inside you, waiting to be awakened. Remembering who you were is not about living in the past. It is about reigniting the fire that has been temporarily buried. Your past successes are proof that you are capable of strength, perseverance, and greatness. Revisiting these memories reminds you that strength is not something external, it is a core part of who you are. By reconnecting with that inner version of yourself, you start to rebuild confidence. You begin to see that setbacks did not destroy you, they only paused your momentum. Your former self serves as a mirror, showing you that the energy, courage, and power you once wielded are still within reach, ready to be claimed once again. Reclaiming your strength begins with accepting responsibility for your own growth. Life may have knocked you down, but the choice to rise again is yours alone. Strength does not return passively, it is earned through conscious effort, deliberate decisions, and consistent action. Recognizing that your future is in your hands is the first step toward reclaiming what was lost. Taking responsibility also means letting go of excuses, blame, and resentment. Every hardship you faced was part of your journey, and while circumstances may have been unfair, the way forward depends on you. Each decision you make to push forward, act despite fear, and embrace growth is a declaration that your strength is returning. When you fully accept responsibility, you shift from being a victim of circumstance to being the architect of your own life. This mindset empowers you to take action, reclaim control, and rebuild your inner fortitude. Strength is not given, it is consciously chosen, every day, in every moment, through every action you take. The hardships you've faced are not roadblocks, they are teachers. Every setback, failure, and moment of pain carries a lesson that can help you reclaim your strength. Instead of resenting these experiences, embrace them. Each struggle holds wisdom that, when recognized, can transform your weaknesses into resilience and your pain into power. Life's challenges often mask opportunities. The experiences that left you feeling weak were actually shaping you into someone stronger, more aware, and more capable than before. By shifting your perspective and seeing struggles as guidance rather than punishment, you turn adversity into a tool for growth. When you embrace your struggles, you reclaim control over their impact on your life. You no longer allow hardship to define you, instead, you let it refine you. Every lesson learned strengthens your resolve, fuels your determination, and reminds you that the strength you've lost is not gone, it has been quietly growing under the surface, waiting for you to reclaim it. Reclaiming your strength doesn't happen overnight. It begins with small, deliberate actions. Daily choices, consistent habits, and incremental victories build momentum that gradually restores your confidence, energy, and power. Even tiny steps forward prove to yourself that you are capable of moving past limitations. Small victories accumulate, each one reinforcing your belief in your own strength. The act of showing up, taking action, and persevering even when it feels insignificant creates a ripple effect. Momentum builds, and with it, the confidence to tackle larger challenges and take bolder actions. These incremental steps remind you that strength is not a distant destination. It is cultivated through consistency, persistence, and the courage to begin again and again. Every small effort is proof that your power can be reclaimed and expanded, and that each day is an opportunity to rebuild the force within you. The journey to reclaim your strength is not meant to be walked alone. Surround yourself with people who lift you, inspire you, and remind you of your worth. Positive energy reinforces your own and accelerates the process of rediscovering your power. Supportive relationships act as mirrors, reflecting your potential and helping you reconnect with the strength you've temporarily lost. At the same time, be willing to distance yourself from people who drain your energy, encourage self-doubt, or perpetuate negativity. The company you keep has a profound effect on your mindset, confidence, and ability to reclaim your power. Intentionally choose relationships that challenge you to grow, celebrate your victories, and keep you moving forward. Being surrounded by support also strengthens resilience. Encouragement, guidance, and shared energy make the path less daunting and remind you that reclaiming strength is not just about physical or mental effort. It's also about aligning yourself with people and environments that nurture your growth and amplify your inner power. Strength is not a one-time achievement, it is a daily choice. Every day presents an opportunity to rise, to act despite fear, to take responsibility, and to move forward even when it's difficult. Each choice you make to persist, to embrace growth, and to challenge yourself is a conscious act of reclaiming your power. Consistency is the key to rebuilding what was lost. Daily effort, no matter how small, adds up over time. Each decision to refuse defeat, to face discomfort, and to keep moving forward strengthens the foundation of your inner power. This repetition trains your mind, body, and spirit to operate from a place of resilience, courage, and self-belief. When you understand that reclaiming strength is a process rather than a moment, you stop waiting for perfect circumstances. You see that every action, every effort, and every choice reinforces your inner fortitude. Your power grows not in leaps and bounds, but in the steady, determined steps you take each day. Finally, reclaiming your strength requires trust in yourself, your journey, and your ability to rise again. Life may have knocked you down, but it has not destroyed you. The strength, courage, and resilience you need have always been inside you. They are simply waiting for you to reconnect with them. Believing in yourself is an act of defiance against doubt, fear, and past setbacks. It is a commitment to honor your own potential, to rise above limitations, and to trust that the power you once had and even more is available to you now. Trusting yourself allows you to act with clarity, purpose, and confidence, knowing that you can handle whatever comes your way. When you embrace this trust, you step fully into your own power. You recognize that the strength you thought was lost is not gone, it was simply waiting for you to claim it. With trust, courage, and consistent action, you reclaim your energy, your confidence, and your ability to thrive. Your journey to strength is no longer about survival, it is about rising, thriving, and becoming unstoppable. If this message resonated with you, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Share it with someone who needs to hear that they can reclaim their strength and rise again. Remember, no matter what life has taken from you, the power to reclaim it has always been inside you.